If you've been noticing a decrease in the amount of views that you've been getting on shorts like so many of you have, it's simply because you're missing the 3 golden rules that I'm about to share with you in this video. And I guarantee you, if you begin to fix these 3 things, you're gonna start to get more views. In fact, I just helped this creator fix these 3 things. They gained over 20,000 subscribers in just a few weeks, and this creator over 30,000. And you can implement them right now. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, it doesn't matter how long you've been creating content for, and it doesn't matter how much your views have actually dropped. Implementing these changes are gonna make a huge difference in your content. But before we could dive into them, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go click on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or you want to learn how to monetize these platforms, I literally upload a video every single day about how to do that. In addition, go to the link in the pinned comment below. I'm going to share with you the best hashtags to be using on YouTube right now because they have recently changed. What are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Go to the link in the pinned comment right now and get my free YouTube growth course that's going to outline that and so much more. Rule number 1, and a lot of you new creators really need to get this through your head because this is never going to go away, is that audiences' interests and the topics that YouTube is pushing are constantly going to be changing. There's constantly going to be ebbs and flows. For example, the content I post, as a lot of you might be able to guess, during January does really good because people aren't in college, people aren't in school, and then also during the summer it does really well because people aren't in school, people have less time at work, they're able to leave half-day Fridays, whatever the case is, and they watch the content a lot more, they interact with the content a lot more, and the same thing is going to be happening within your guys' content. But then even on top of that is that there's going to be a change in what your audience is actually interested in. So there are a few things you guys need to make sure that you're doing in order to always maximize the amount of views that you're getting and always increasing the amount of views that you're getting. First and foremost, you guys need to fall in love with the audience that you're serving, not the content that you're creating. Because guess what? Your interview style content, your green screen style content, maybe even your how-to style content isn't going to be as popular 6 months from now. It's not going to be as popular a year from now. Why? Because your audience is changing what they're interested in. They're changing what kind of formats they like to begin seeing. So what you need to do is stay on the pulse of what your audience is actually interested in. If you've been seeing a decrease in the amount of views that you're getting, it's because of your inability to not be able to correctly assess and say, oh, this is what my audience actually wants to see, or this is what is working for my audience now. Because trust me, the thing that works today is not going to be the thing that works in 6 months, and it wasn't the thing that worked 6 months ago. And you just happened to create a piece of content or begin creating content that resonated with people, but guess what? Their interests have changed, their lives have changed, and you need to make sure that you are reinventing yourself and reinventing your content to stay up to date and to consistently be getting your content shown to those people. On top of that, even more importantly, this should be a warning sign to you that you need to go way harder. When you find a format that works, you find a title that works, you find a topic that works, you need to push way harder to get as many views as you can, to get as many subscribers as you can, because that's how you actually build that loyal fan base that'll watch your content no matter what, and then eventually you'll be able to get to the point where you can kind of put out what you like to put out as opposed to constantly serving that audience. And the second rule that I see so many of you violate, and by the way, the last rule that I share with you is going to be all-encompassing, and it is going to be the one thing that I guarantee a lot of you aren't doing if you're not getting views right now. But the second rule is that 99% of your views are going to come after the last 24 hours of your post. Stop judging your post after 30 minutes. Stop judging your post after a day. You can only judge your post after 7 days. I said this in a previous video, but I need to reiterate it. You cannot judge a post until it's been up for at least 7 days. A lot of you guys will notice that your viral post might have taken a little bit of time for them to go viral. And a lot of you are noticing that you might get 2,500 views or 1,000 views really quickly, and then it stagnates because YouTube saturated that initial audience for the piece of content. And then what happens, a few days later, it goes to 5,000, it goes to 10,000, it might go to 100,000 because then YouTube found a much larger audience for that piece of content. And in that time, they were testing showing content to different groups of audiences so that they can actually find an audience for that piece of content. And this brings me to rule number 3. The only reason that you don't get views on your videos, or you've seen a decrease in the views on your videos, is 1, people aren't interested anymore in the topic that you're posting about or the format that you're using in order to display that piece of content, or 2, your video just wasn't good enough. And this could be broken down into 2 different problems. First, I see so many people upload on topics or upload in formats that just aren't working anymore. Or the second thing, they're uploading in a format, they're uploading in a topic that is working, but they're not doing a good enough job. You guys need to understand something. YouTube is a competition. You are competing with everybody else that is posting within your niche. And if there's nobody else posting within your niche, then you probably don't have a niche. And that is what I see so many of you guys mess up and so many of you guys get wrong. If you really want to get a lot of views, you really want to get a lot of subscribers, you need to tap into something that people already believe. People already believe something in your niche, and you need to either confirm that or you need to dispute that, and you cannot be scared of pissing some people off. In order to really grow on YouTube, you need to have a hard stance, and 50% of people aren't going to like that. 50% of people are going to love that, and these are going to become your raving fans, the people that watch every single video, the people that subscribe when you tell them to, the people that buy things when you tell them to, and that is who you need to be trying to tap into, and that is who you need to be reaching. But again, this is ultimately just going to come down to the content that you're creating and then the interactions that you're getting based on the content. If you're not getting views right now, that is the sole reason why. And if you want to get guaranteed subscribers right now on YouTube, you need to keep watching this video because I'm going to share a special opportunity with you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers in a 30-day period is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers in the next 30 days, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.